Hey, it's Evan. Today I'm going to be doing a LeetCode, and I feel pretty weak at two-pointer problems, so I'm just gonna do a two-pointer problem. And so here's the problem I'm doing. I've already done it before with inscrutable, unreadable JavaScript. So I'm gonna just delete this and try again in a way that isn't complete nonsense. So let's see. And I've got a whiteboard here, so I can just plan what I'm gonna do. So, okay. I feel like converting, so let's just read it. A phrase is a palindrome if after converting all uppercase letters to lowercase letters. So I'll just go ahead and convert those with the built-in JavaScript, because I feel that that's not really part of the problem. And remove all non-alphanumeric characters. Okay, so delete if not in alpha. Okay. And then given a string s, return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. Okay, so we'll just do like example. All right, yeah, let's switch back to this. All right, so I'm gonna start with let's see, like this is hard to do, but let's just do low and high as our pointer names, and then this will address, well, it's hard to write backwards. So I'm gonna address this. So I'll say like array of low equals array of high, then increment and decrement low and high respectively. So I do low plus plus, high minus minus, and then just loop through. And then I say, so we've got x, does x equal L? And we're gonna say no, so I'll just exit and return false. But if I make it to the point where high is equal to low, or high minus low is less than or equal to 1, yeah, I think that's what I'll do, then I can just return true. Well, maybe I want to say if low is greater than high, return true, because that means we checked every pair of letters converging to the center of the word. So return true. Or I could just I'll just break out of my loop, and then I'll have a return statement at the end. Okay, that's pretty wordy, but that's my plan. And let's code it up. I'll just do that for YouTube. All right, step 1 is lowercase. Yeah. Is it 2 lower or is it lower? It's 2 lowercase. All right. Yeah, that should do it. And then I want to say delete non-alpha characters. And so I'll say s dot replace all. Should I use regex or should I? Yeah, I'll just use regex. Is that it? Yeah, okay, regex. So I'm gonna say A through Z, and I want to say not A through Z. Is that correct? We're gonna go test this in regex 101. Yeah, okay, I think that works. What happened? Yeah, okay, so that works, and it's got the global on it. Cool. Replace all that with nothing. And let's get semicolons in there, and then I want to say, all right, now we get to the good stuff. Detect palindrome. So I want to say for let low equals 0, high equals s dot length minus 1, and then I want to say if low is less than high. Yeah, so when they meet in the middle, we know it's a palindrome. If they exceed that, we'll be sure. Just to make sure we're handling odds and even lengths. Okay, and then I'm going to say high minus minus, low plus, well, let's keep it in order. Low plus plus, high minus minus. And I know a lot of people wouldn't use a for loop for this because this is a very like overloaded line where like we have 6 things happening, or five or 6 things happening. All right. But we're just gonna go with it because I just have a limited time today to code. All right, so let's see. If let's see, if s of low is not equal to s of high, then I want to return false and then return true if it gets through the whole string. All right, I think this should work. Looks like it works. Let's submit it. Oh, alphanumeric. Okay. So I'm going to say 0 through 9. And then we'll test this. I thought it was just for... Yeah, I guess you can have a palindrome with numbers. So I just didn't read the problem correctly. So let's do that. And then run it and see. All right. Cool. So that's my solution today. I wonder why it's so slow, but seems like maybe the regex is probably causing it to go pretty slowly because that's, you know, not code that I wrote. All right, so I guess that's it for today. This was fun. I'm gonna do it again. See you next time. Bye.